Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix speaker not working on your HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra. So first, what you guys want to do is check the volume levels in the settings. So let's unlock our device. Now we're going to go and enter the settings here, and then we're going to go over to the sounds and vibration. After that, we're gonna go to the volume section and click on show more. Now here we need to make sure that our volume levels are okay. So the call volume, the music videos and games volume is the most important one, so we have to boost all of them to the max. Now that we have boosted both of those volume levels, we can go over and clean the speaker grills. So I would recommend using a soft brush for it. Now we have one right here, and we have the second one at the bottom right here, as you guys can see. And after we clean it, everything should be okay. But if not, then we can also check if we have Bluetooth turned off. So as you guys can see, I do. But if you don't, then that's bad, because audio may be rerouted anywhere else, like your headphones, your speaker, or your car. So I would recommend disabling the Bluetooth for the time of testing right now. And after that, I would recommend restarting the phone. So hold the power button first, and then you will see this menu pop up. Click on restart and click touch to restart. Now we wait, and I'll see you guys in a second. So now after the phone restart, what you guys can do as a last resort is update your software. So go over to settings, and right here in the settings, let's scroll down until we see system and updates. Now we need to click on software update, and it will check for updates automatically. As you guys can see, I have the latest software version, but if you don't, then I recommend you guys updating it, because it's very important to have the latest version of the software, so you don't have any glitches that are old. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.